Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Crypto Chester. In today's video we're talking about BONK. Now BONK has done some amazing things over the last couple of weeks, but we're going to be discussing exactly where and how we can be trading this to make as much money as possible. Okay, before we get into this update about BONK and essentially where we can make as much money as possible, it's only right for me to talk to you very quickly about our sponsor, Best Wallet, guys. Best Wallet is basically the same as MetaMask, same as Phantom, but offers a lot more chains, and it's basically one of the best and secure ways to hold and store your crypto. So go check out the link in the description, download the wallet, and have it as a Google extension and store your crypto in there rather than on exchanges. Because if you store on exchanges, technically it's actually not yours. If the exchange goes bust, that money is lost forever. Okay, so diversify your portfolio and use Best Wallet ecosystem. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to go and check that out. Now, as promised, straight into this BONK video here. You can see we'll start off just with an update over on CMC. You can see in the last 24 hours, it's actually down 1%. In the last week, it's down nearly 4% now. And in the last month, down 21.13%. Should I even say about the ELE? Probably not. Let's just leave that there, okay? So at this moment, obviously, we're on quite a steady decline for altcoins, especially meme coins here after that massive liquidation event that we did see around 2 weeks ago, I believe now. But right now for BONK, it isn't the end of the world. Now, the reason why I say that, guys, is because you've got to think of this from a broader picture. BONK is at a $1.21 billion market cap right now. Now, that is actually a substantial market cap for a meme coin in this current market. What does that mean? Okay, it means that if you look at all previous cycles with this asset here, every single time it's been down at these lows, 600 mil market cap, 700 mil market cap, even went up to 2 billion, then all the way back down to 1 billion. Same scenario here, up to 3 billion, now back down to 1 billion. It's very, very likely that this thing will basically just continue up from here. Now, before we get into the BONK chart, it's very, very important to see the next moving projects in the space. Okay, and that's why I'm going to take this time to show you guys a next massive alpha that I think has got absolutely ridiculous potential. The project in question today is called Bitcoin Hyper. Now, Bitcoin Hyper is the first ever layer 2 chain on the Bitcoin blockchain. Now, this basically means it's faster, it's scalable, basically solves all the problems that Bitcoin has. Okay, it's got a little bit of a meme factor to it as well, which is also very, very good. And basically the Hyper ecosystem consists of a brand new Web3 wallet, an Explorer, a bridge, staking, and of course, lovely, lovely Bitcoin memes. Now, this project so far has raised $25.1 million. It's had so many audits done already. It's featured in some very, very reputable brands across the space. We're talking Cointelegraph, CoinMarketCap here. And if you guys did want to get involved with it, you can get involved with it in Ethereum, Solana, USDC, USDT, or even your card, MasterCard or Visa card, or even BNB, guys. Okay, the pre-sale's live. It'll be ending very, very soon. This thing's raised $25 million. It's a layer 2 for Bitcoin. What more do you want here? It's being compared to the likes of Lightning Network, Optimism, ZK rollups, and just generally very, very, very strong strong utility and strong nuance around this project, which is very, very exciting to say the least. So go check it out, guys. All the links are in the description. Just drops a little bit of alpha there for you guys. Now, into the BONK chart, because this is where it gets quite interesting. Obviously, we're all aware of the liquidation event that happened a few weeks back here, but now we are talking about what is going on with the price. Now, this is where it's sort of undecided, okay? Because obviously we saw a massive, massive rebound here from that massive, massive dump. Naturally, we see another wave down, and then we saw a pump. The pump wasn't strong enough to retake potential lower highs here, which isn't actually confirmed as a low high because we've got to break the previous low, but still a micro lower high here in terms of the market structure. So we came down, but we didn't break the lower low. Okay, so we actually basically set a new higher low when we broke this high here. So basically that means, guys, right now we are actually on technically a bullish trend. Okay, the bullish trend right now is consisting of something along the lines of this here, and I would probably be actually, let's get rid of that and let's do the old copy and paste scenario here for something that lines up and see if we got some sort of parallels here. And what do you know we do? We've got some quite nice reactive points here that you guys can see here. You can see we've obviously got resistance here. We've got lovely bits of support here, resistance, resistance, and again, resistance on that top side. So an upward sloping parallel channel is the pattern I would be favoring right now. Now you can see we're gradually on our way down to this point. Now this point, if this micro downtrend does continue, this will be our bounce point, guys. We're either going to bounce from here or we're going to break. If we break from here, there's a chance that there is a measure move down of a nice, lovely short position for this asset. Okay, we're talking not a small amount of cash. It's going to be literally 9.38% here is on the line to be taken here. And if we do flash forward to the daily chart, you can see if we do actually lose the 7 SMA, rebound off the 21 here, break this level of support like we just basically spoke about, 9.38% is very achievable here for a trade there for BONK. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section, guys. I'm intrigued to know your opinions and whether you think that we can get back up to those insanely high points. Now, if we just look at these falling wedge, falling parallel channel, breakout to the upside. Falling wedge, breakout to the upside. Okay, resistance off that point like discussed in previous videos. Now, trend to the upside like so, we're likely to break down. Okay, so get that in your notepads, guys. Obviously not financial advice, go do your own research. And don't forget to go download Best Wallet, guys. They support 60 different ecosystems. And also go check out Bitcoin Hyper, guys, because this pre-sale is ending super soon. Thank you ever so much for watching. That's going to be it from me. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next video.